Please do. I'm solving the count letters in word search in Edabit. Question reads, create a function that counts the number of times particular letter shows up in the word search. So then it has a 2D array and then a char. So then if it finds the char that many times, then it goes up to the code. And there's the array. And then there's the char. This one is the for each loop. So it's a char. And it's going to go through the array. And since it's a 2D array, we need another one of these. So then inside of here, if j equals to the char of c, then it will increment a variable. So we're going to make an int right here. This would be our letter count. Set to 0. And then increment by 1. Now this will run the for each loop. Going through the 2D array. It finds a match, then it increments. And the last part is to return the letter count. It looks good. Now, thanks for watching.